Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. So a lot of you guys have been asking me to do a wash and go routine. I haven't done one of those, so I just wanted to do one for you guys. So what I have going on here is my natural hair. I have no products in it whatsoever. This is clean hair. So the specific product that you guys have been asking me to do the wash and go routine with is Eco-Styler gel, specifically the black castor oil with flexi oil. I guess this is an old YouTube thing because a lot of the natural hair people have done it, but I haven't done it personally, and you guys have been suggesting that I try it. I'm personally kind of nervous for this one because this means that you have to apply almost a whole bottle of gel in your hair. I'm not too comfortable with that. I don't even know how the drying process is going to be. I'm not sure what the results are going to be because I've honestly never done this before. I do use Eco-Styler gel, but this one is actually the one I use, and this is the Eco-Styler gel with olive oil. So this is the one I used, and as you can see, the bottle is damn near empty. This one I've never used before, but a lot of you guys suggested that I try it. So that is what this video is going to be about today. So the products I'm going to be using for this wash and go routine is this Eco-Styler gel, this Can2 argan oil leave-in conditioner. That's what it looks like. And then a spray bottle with some water. Like I said, I've never done this before, but I'm excited to see how it's going to turn out. So this is what I have going on here. I don't know if I should do this in sections or not, but I'm gonna make a part. I'm gonna part it to where I want my actual part to be. I'll part it here. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing here is I'm gonna take little sections of my hair, spray it down with some water, apply the leave-in conditioner, and then apply the gel to my hair. So this is the first section that I'm gonna be working with. So first thing first, I'm going to use my water and spray it down. Then I'm going to take some of the conditioner, apply it to my hair, making sure to get the ends and everything. And then I'm going to use this wide tooth comb to comb it out. I never comb my hair when it's dry. To me, it just makes your hair break. So I always like to wet it before I comb it. And I always use a wide tooth comb. I only use this comb to part my hair, but I always use a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair so that you don't create breakage for your hair. My hair is wet. It has the leave-in conditioner in it. It is all combed out. So now I'm gonna add the gel. It has kind of like a shiny look to it. You probably can't see that, but it has like a shiny, sparkly look to it. It also smells really, really good. So I'm gonna set this here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my hair. I hope it does some magic. I don't know. Did it work? Should I add more? I don't know if I should add the conditioner. See, it leaves a residue, so I don't know if I should add the conditioner. Should I do it without the conditioner? I think it works. Look at that. Those are all curls. I told you guys I have these weird kind of curls, and that's what my curls look like. Is it gonna shrink when it gets dry? I don't know. Okay, let's keep going. So guys, I actually think this works because this is my hair wet without the gel, and then this portion is with the gel. So let's go. So this side, as you can see, is starting to shrink already. Then this side is still wet, so it's still long. Moving on. I don't know if I'm excited about the result. Like, I've had my curls more defined than this. So I don't know yet. But I do know the back section, see that? So maybe it requires time, because the back section where I started is already very, very defined. But this part, I don't know what's going on. It's not that defined, like, at all. So we'll see. Okay. My arms are getting tired. I don't know if I should add more gel to that part. Let's do this part right here. I use my finger to part my hair because it's more gentle. The comb can snag your hair and cause it to break. So when it comes to my hair, I'm very, very gentle. So we're gonna do that part. So let's get this out of the way. Okay, so we're gonna do this part. This one's already done. The back of my hair is definitely curlier. Like, the curls in the back of my hair is definitely curlier than the front, if that makes sense. But anyways, I'm gonna spray it. Make sure it's nice and wet. Grab my comb, detangle from the very bottom, and work my way up to the root, like so. Again, you want to be very gentle with your hair. Natural hair can get very kinky and very curly, which makes it look like it's tangled, and you just have to either use a detangler or use water, but be very gentle when you do it. I don't know why I start from the root. I don't think it matters, but the root does get a little puffier, so you have to make sure you really, really work the gel to make sure that the curls does define from the root. So I am done with the back section. I just have this little part left and I'll be done. I honestly cannot wait to be done. This is taking longer than I thought it would. Maybe next time I'll do this on already wet hair. It might be a little easier because I'm having a hard time detangling my hair, trying to curl it, and just it's taking a while. So maybe if I ever do this again, if it works out, I'll probably do it right after I get out of the shower or right after I finish washing my hair. So guys, this is the last one. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it, comb it, and I think the white residue is gonna go away once the hair dries. At least I'm hoping it does. So yeah, this wasn't too bad. I'm just excited to see what it looks like once it dries. It is definitely heavy. As you can see, I started from the bottom and it looks like the curls are already there because it's almost dried. So I'm hoping the rest will look like that. Okay guys, so this is it. I'm gonna show you guys the finished product a little later, but this is basically it, y'all.